Egbe marawe. Izzy Omoruyi, Ukwomi. A depression will say the highest level. Your depression don't reach the highest level. In case you they say, why are you dragging Izzy? Now Izzy fed drag me. In fact, this morning, I have been sleeping. Why is it not showing? You can go to her page, it's there. I posted this morning, jejely on my page. Izzy, I'm not give way, I'm not give me give way. I'm not come where we may you wear. Physically and spiritually, I'm not the person not tell you say I not be your mate. I not be your mate, both spiritually and physically. Izzy Omoruyi, let me read what she wrote on her page 27 minutes ago. Ha! Izzy, you are a disgrace. Izzy, you are a shame. Izzy, uhohua. See, I'm waiting for you. I want to drag you. You don't know where you say your next generation. You have pushed me too much for years. I have kept you quiet. You have pushed me so much for years. I have kept you quiet, Izzy. I am in for you. You see this internet, I don't mind losing my relationship. In the case of fighting you, I will drag you to your next generation. I know my mom will see this and get disappointed. You see, at this point, I really don't care. I don't mind losing my relationship. Fighting you, Izzy, I will fight you. Enough is enough. Tag Izzy on this video. Izzy Omoruyi. Who are devil? Who are then who are now? Let me read. Ebony, you dey mourn, you dey do party. You were lady of song beg. Make you settle with Sharon. You say over your dead body. You will tell Esther say if Sharon dey her brother shower, you no go come there. Madam, face your birthday party and let everyone mourn in their own way. Make una know they push person. Easy be push no bell. Izzy, you are a very useless person. What way a lady or song say in beg you say you no go agree. You wear Esther say if Sharon come in party you no go agree. Are you mad? It's quite unfortunate. Lady or song don't even know who you be to allow her. You. I could puke. I can't because of you and hate Lady of Song. I don't care what you guys discussed. I don't care what Lady of Song told you. You see at this point of my life that I am, you they mad. You know where? You know say nobody matter to me for this life again. Let me tell you, the only person when I owe anything for this life say Oga go and say yeti go. My mom, my man. Ogbera here Vani. Who they pay my bill? They Chris. Who they pay my bill? So you go sleep or make you go now. No, don't tell me that. I will not even read comments. I don't want anybody make me laugh or turn me off. Wait till I want to talk. My darling, you see this one? I'm not here for you guys. Just rest. I'm not here for relationship matter. You know when it comes to relationship matter, Biodogu. Relationship. Hey, everybody go born. Everybody go marry. I get una the Chris. Una know they know what person they feel inside, but that's not why I'm here. Izzy, I'm here for you. You no fear. You say, oh shit. No, I don't want to pick anybody's. I don't want to pick. I don't want anybody tell me I not deal with this Izzy. Now let me Izzy, I go analyze you. Come out, oh. Come out. I'll be waiting. Please open the door. Come out. I'll be waiting for you. Izzy Omoruyi, you are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to friendship. You are a shame. In fact, Izzy Omoruyi, you are the wrong. See, listen. Sharon made a mistake making you her best friend. Hello, mommy. Mommy, please, I'll call you back. Mommy, I did live video already. Mommy, I beg. Mommy, I respect you so much. Mommy, please. I don't want to disrespect you, please. Mommy, I beg. Mommy, please, enough. Easy not to drag me. I will not take it. Mommy, I love you. I'll call you back. Mommy, I love you. Mommy, I love you, please. Let me off my data. I don't want to talk to my godmother. Listen. Easy. Easy, listen. You are a disgrace. Yeah. You are a disgrace, and I am waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Izzy Omoruyi. Come out. You see this period, I get your time. I don't want anybody close to me I don't want anybody close to me. No. See, guys, oh my God. You both should stop it. Mona, let me reply Izzy in peace. Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi. Ah, God. Fuck. Izzy Omoruyi. You no fear. You no shame, Izzy. You they come out. Okay. Esther tell you, say, Ebony say, over her dead body, you know, go settle with Sharon. Sharon, oh, mommy, please now. Mommy, please. Mommy, stop now. Mona, they stop this thing now. Mona, they stop.
No, not now. Not at all. Now, we go to the one. That out loud. No. God forbid.
Gosh.
No. You better change yourself and find out going to do this. You just cry out. Please, don't do this. Now. Now we'll go.
Nice. Mommy. I will cover this place. The sun. Mommy. Why not they do me like this now?
No, take a stroll. Just now we'll go. I don't know, man. Are you alright?
See, if I end this call, it's because of this woman. If I end this live video, Izzy, I for tear you apart. It's so painful. It's so painful. It's so painful. I respect my godmother. And let me respect Sharon. Mommy, I don't hear. Cotton, I don't hear. I know they talk anything again, I don't hear. Mommy, I don't hear. Give me. No, they pick again. Sharon. Sharon made a mistake. Sharon made a mistake. Getting close to somebody like you, easy. Easy for to drag you. Easy. Ya bolowele loto. Ya bolowele loto. I for drag you to your next generation. Izzy, I would have dragged your life. You are a witch. Azohi. Wow. When your friend born. 4 days you travel. Why are we born? 4 days after your friend, your supposed best friend born, 4 days you travel. You dey tell somebody will not be a friend for more than 6 years. Say she go do party. Wow. You don't know I started to do party before. You don't know I said they do party before. Facebook go shut down. Everywhere go shut down. If I had cancelled that same party, the same you devil. You say she don't just do one. Not be Sharon, she do one for. Sharon was my best friend before she came to meet you. For those of you that do not know, Sharon was my best friend. Thank God for a blogger, something spicy or whatever. I don't know what the person's name is, for reminding me of my past with Sharon. They mad. You don't fear. They tell me, say, Thunder, punish you easy. You think I'm happy that Sharon is dead? Even if she was not my friend, I wish her to leave. Because of the time what they play. Sharon was my best friend for years before she came across a demon like you. You will be witch. When I zen. E Sharon ma mioma o ma gbo ya azo so na yaya we zo se o agbe o. You are lucky. I had a lot I would have said to you that would dump you into depression. Or say, well, you can't mourn Sharon for 1 week. You can't mourn her for 1 week. 3 days. Usala jano. Udwa zoo online. Nugbeo. Undan. You will be badded. Sharon died. 3 days. You can't write useless episode. I would have not traveled. Why you have travel? Unwina. Neki agbuwe. Bebe.
Mommy again.
If I slap you.
Hello?
Me, mommy, leave me. If they look for my trouble, people already talk. Izzy, let me settle with Sharon. Izzy, don't let me settle with Sharon. Izzy, queer because I zeno. Omakwe. Now that her camp when she go join, that don't make me settle with Sharon. See the way I celebrated Sharon 2019. Izzy Usaloa. I be go Izzy. Go, me, my mommy leave me now. Let me show you guys. Esther, you wait tell the song say. Tell lady your song say waiting. Lady your song had that choice. Una not come to marriage. I beg una no let me talk. Why you dey beg all of una? You wait tell lady your song. What if lady your song tell you in private now? You want to tell away. You won't cause quarrel. You won't cause trouble. Even if you come away in private now, we do it the public. Unu Ebony waiting the lady of song giving internet now. Ebony waiting over here. People were sharing it. I even sent it to her. Cause when you cost lady of song for this life, whether you are fake settlement, you will party. No bell. You want pepper Ebony. Now lady of song you want to pepper me, you decrease. Now my man you fit to pepper me. Oh. I'm very angry. How can Izzy come out online to tell me, Ebony, did you mourn Sharon? Ooh, shameless, dirty pig. You couldn't mourn your friend. When Junior Pope died, Ruby mourned Junior Pope for 1 month. She did not pick anybody's call. She did not write. But did they pay you because na internet you take the chop. Internet to yari wow, eya winner. No go work. Eya winner. Eya winner for you to focus on how they bury your friend successfully. How they raise money for the children of your friend. Was she even your friend? She wasn't. You were jealous of that girl. After all, you're being with my woman, we could be boyfriend in our way. So if been a kawaru le travel no ya wekia. Who ever no na mo ekonu bell. Down. Come on, Ebony. Yeah. You go to do party. She wasn't my friend. I told everybody. She wasn't my friend. Sharon was no longer my friend, but she was once my friend. Sharon was no longer my friend. Sharon was no longer my friend. I stayed put. I kept quiet. I know all the wrongs you did to Sharon, Izzy. I know all the wrongs you did to her. When this thing happened, I kept quiet. I decided to keep quiet and move on. You came to drag me online. You are mad. You are crazy. Don't try and next time. I will be down, I will be down, They crazy. Can't they drag me online? I know say you get many account number when you think they comment. Can't comment anything you want comment. I don't give a fuck. But I'm here to tell you you are a bad friend. Are you okay? Who bring Esther come saga? Nah, Izzy they drag Esther now. She tag her with her full chest. Say see what lady of song tell her. Izzy tag Esther with her full chest. So why are you telling me to take Esther out of my mouth? Now Izzy drag Esther, not me. Say, wait till you tell Esther. And you get Esther. Say, no, you get Esther. Esther was my friend. Esther was my best friend. So I get her to say, if anybody went on like their place, it was a bridal shower, I will not come. Yeah, I said so. So fucking what? She wasn't my friend. Una won't come bring una busybody come there. If una not get shame, if una agree get shame. Una know say this person are my friend, my buddy. I go a house, I'll do video. Why una won't use my busybody to do bridal shower? Them and I told her, babe, I not say me you know invite Sharon or anybody, but if they come, I'm not coming there. You they mad? Now they gossip to the lady or song. Wanna collect this? I'm taking my food chest. You they crazy? I don't gossip who I'm friends with. Gossip can get on that time. Because of Sharon, late Sharon, and my godmother will call me so. My godmother not let me breathe. If not, Izzy, I for drag you for more than 2 years for this internet. Oh, go boy. You they mad? What is wrong with you? If you be better person, Lady or Song, that's as if she confided in you to tell you guys that. I know you guys are friends to Lady or Song. That's on her. Nobody should bring it to me. Lady or Song cannot force me to be your friend because she's your friend. You don't get it? And that's a period. If Lady or Song choose to settle with you guys, it's your business. Nobody should drag me to it. Now everybody will be Lady or Song friend, not gonna be my friend. I don't understand. Lady or Song tell you, say that I'm so fucking what? You the Chris? She can't rubbish with that one. She can't nonsense with that. You know, fear Izzy. You can't tag me for your post. You're mad. Izzy, be careful. Be very careful while you're that boy. Mind your business, Izzy Omoruyi. I will not come back and warn you again. May who know you now, may they warn you. Take my name off your mouth. You have failed as a friend. You are a failed friend to Sharon. You are ashamed. You are a disgrace. Say that Sharon born because of stress. Now she come out just like that. For where you there, you they form busybody friendship. No bell down. Whoever zonking. You know you are a witch. How dare you? How dare you? Tell me, say, where I go post, where I go do birthday, you they crazy. You they mad. You're very stupid. She can't rubbish with that one. Are you there, man? Una go to let, una go to bring, una go to bring, una wala come where I tell you they mad. She can't rubbish with that one. You know what? You know what they talk online. If I want to talk now, they tell me somebody not they talk again. Many people will not tell me somebody not talk again. This is too much. Izzy, are you stupid? Now God go punish you. Where you go? What's your nekia bue? You will not say your friend go born. If you wish and you don't prepare your trip. Now when you hear say she they come and now you they run, they come back. No bell. Say, hey, let yourself tell you, say, you they mad? Now they crazy. And Ebony no here go Izzy. And no here go. Me Ebony no here, me Ebony no me Ebony no here. Una they cover since when una fit come out online come back for. Una they use una make the cover am. Ebony said una papa. I said una papa. No Ebony talk buwa.
Mommy, hello, mommy.
Mommy, this is getting too much. It is getting fucking too much. If Izzy come out for me, I will come out for her. Which kind of nonsense with that one? Are you telling me Izzy gonna tag me? You're gonna kill Izzy. Mommy, sorry. Share rubbish with that one. Ashagwa, if you go, you was Izzy Omoruyi. What you was Sebagona? If baby say Sharon die like that. Una drag una head 2021 when I see a bugwa le loto ina why did come to say a word till now you know let my matter oh here boys no be Omoruyi now my matter go kill you yourself go makan except say ka boru no sugbowe if I first come look for your trouble now you know if you carry my cause even I don't if you want here talk boy ya make you dey mad. God go punish you. All of you when they tell me something I know they talking, God go they block all of you now. Because I don't get sense. I was on my own. Guys, if you're just joining, I was on my own when they tagged me on a post that stupid, dirty riffraff posted. Look at it. This is Izzy Omoruyi. Tagging, sharing my post. They drag Esther Jonah. Esther say over my dead body. Una not tell Esther what you not do me.
Where?
Now they mad. What happen? Who get the phone? Idiene. Cause my mommy go call pass and they cut her until I finish. Mommy, I'm sorry. Mommy, I just need that. Mommy, please. Mommy, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I have to disrespect you this time. I'm sorry because this is too much. I was fucking on my own. When that useless girl, they drag me on. I walk where? You they mad? Look at it. This is your Omoruyi. I not talk to her. Me when if say they use water, they pour for Izzy hair, say, oh, wala, one yahu. When Sharon die, I swear to God, I said they should check on Izzy. I don't know how that girl will be feeling because if me when be say me and Sharon not gonna be friends, they feel this way. Izzy, me Izzy not gonna drink poison. My God, zank man, me, my good, u get ya wale password. You go find password. You go there, you go. Udiji, Izzy, Udiji. I'm kneeling down for my godmother to beg her to forgive me because she will add this video. I don't go delete her and go leave her. Izzy, come out. If you come out, I will come out for you. Yeah, loto. You where they suppose they drag, they're going to drag Shadow Mama. We don't have any drag. Yeah, where Shadow go. You know no say Shadow go born. You know no say Shadow want born. Go no see you barely a week. When your friend die, see what you they do online. Ooh, Sharon will be bleeding. Sharon will be bleeding. Sharon will be bleeding. Sharon went into a wrong circle, especially you, Izzy. You misled that girl. If not, they no longer Izzy. If not be jealousy where they worry you. Why it be say Sharon won't born 4 days you travel wrong, go devil no joy. Which country they say you go? Why you over? Because of knack. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. My godmother is disturbing my call. Let me end it here. I'm waiting. I know you are a mad woman. I will tell you I'm mad. Come out. I have your time. Izzy Omoruyi, I have your time. Every day I brought you. I know they walk. I get your time. I go drag you to your next generation. Make everybody know how evil you are. See you, Unwegwe. The same you way use your mouth to destroy Sharon. When I come your house. During when my YouTube get issue, I came to your house. Who you know where I destroy Sharon? Who you destroy Jeff Omoruyi? Who you know where destroy Festina? Who are woman you know where destroy I kept you quiet all these years. In my only talo, I didn't want to talk. When all of them come out like mad people, now they throw me. I kept quiet. Now I have your time. I don't care what happens. I don't care what goes wrong. I will drag you, Izzy Omoruyi. I will so drag you. You see this child of death, I go use that to torment you for the rest of your life because you are a witch. You are a devil. You cause me pain. Sharon's death still cause me pain. Izzy go wrong me that you they play. Izzy. Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy they mad. Now me choose to make her feel like a fool online. Now they keep her quiet. Izzy get mouth. If you need more Izzy a depression, what does Izzy have about me to say? What does she have? You never married. Izzy is not married. You never born. Izzy does not have a child. Me, I even get relationship. Izzy no gets. Izzy not there abroad for many years. Sorry, love. Izzy not there abroad for so many years. Nothing to achieve. I think Nigeria don't achieve. They craze. Or go on busy. Izzy go use math run me down. Because we say women they keep quiet. Say when we be star. Who is Izzy? Who is Izzy? Izzy monu wekeni mejia. Izzy 5 ayati gumegwa. Izzy menesemea. And they keep quiet because of say people I respect are online. Who the fuck is Izzy? Physically, spiritually, I'm not your mate. Izzy go and go me. You the craze. Be careful. Be very careful. Be very, very careful, Izzy Omoruyi. I'm warning you. Be very careful. This is a mourning period. Mourning peace. Be ashamed of yourself. You have failed. You failed, Sharon. I wish I knew. I would have not traveled. Ooh, shame on you. Ooh, Sharon cannot be my friend the way we used to be. I wish Sharon be a woman on your coke. Oja agbidiot. Eat the tickets. Italy ya koke. Honorai guamoti mune. Were you able to do anything? Because you get Facebook ya gboa. Then you go to wanna upload why did you get you dey mad. If to say now you get my information, the kind of information I get about late Sharon husband, say now you get that kind of information about my husband, una don't go find fake account when I want to post them. Una don't go find fake account when I want to post them. But I kept Sharon's secrets, even when we were not friends. I not be una mates. All of una. A secret why ya gbama po. Me la de do robi wa. Me do guwa gwande because I just feel say, may I just respect myself. May I respect my job. May I respect my man. May I respect my godmothers. People will love me so much. I keep quiet. Una de craze. Una they drag me since 2019. Una they drag me. What you not do me for this industry? I kept quiet. I kept quiet. I kept quiet. It was hard, but I chose to keep quiet. If you never drag me for something, easy, and won't hear talk boys in Omoruyi. Go and mark it. I'm in for you. I'm out for you. Izzy, I will so drag you. Izzy, if you write one post, I will come out. If you come out for me, I will come out for you 10 times. I'm ready. Let the fight begin. When Sharon died, my people, I died a million times. Yeah, told you, let God punish me. Till now, yeah, me video Sharon away. I would shake. I couldn't believe Sharon is dead. Sharon was my best friend before she came in contact with you, demon. Ever since you entered Sharon's life, that girl life dim. Her light dim. Everything went slow. Everything went down. Now need to come up on TikTok. You call the type Barbara, they dance like mad woman. Now you know. What impact did you make in Sharon's life? All those fake things where you talk up and down, you push out or they live fake life just to please Pepe Ebony or please people. You are a disgrace, Izzy Omoruyi. I'm coming out for you. Let me end it here first. Please tag Izzy in this video. Tag her, let her see it. The battle line is drawn. My eyes are on your page. My eye me a page where you are carrying a cute and I go tell everyone. I beg anytime where Izzy post about me, tag me in anything, when I draw my attention, I'll come out for you. I can't love Izzy. Izzy is a devil. The same Izzy has used her mouth to run Sharon Okpame down to me. Has used her mouth to run Jeff Omoruyi down to me. Has used her mouth to run Festina Peters down to me. Izzy has come out on social media to insult Esther Dokpayi, her man, her generation, everything. The same witchcraft Izzy. Because you could not penetrate me, I'm a threat to you. You are mad. And I will warn you. If you like, be Esther's best friend. It no concern me. Esther will wrong me first before I stay away from her. Esther will offend me first before I hate her. Alright? This tag when you tag, so it's quite unfortunate that Esther don't even know who na be. You know she's a very vulnerable person, so she can trust easily. I don't have any problem with that. I cannot tell Esther who to settle with or who not to settle with. But please, in case you are dragging Esther to my matter, no, say, I not be that kind of person who go hear one word, you call the carry face. No, you can't easily penetrate me and they use my brain. Where? And in case you don't know, yes, I told Esther, if them Sharon, the Festina, they come your brother shower, I know go come. But it doesn't stop me.
This is with chocolate.
Oh,
inside.
Really? Yeah, that's nice, baby. I'm on live video.
Did you give it to me and Joshua?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Thank you, baby. I love you. I told Esther, if Festina and Sharon go do your brother shower, I not go day. I not go do. But they can come, me I not come that day. But the marriage, everything, I will be there. Any that time. For who people I know they talk with, either go to Tayaga doing what? A gossip even here. A mugu, ita. So, iwu wareba, ideba, and so what? Wamari kuwa, una no come the dance. I pursue na. Una did the dance na. That don't my work. So that one I see gossip or zuo. Eme Sharon ti so your Izzy dollar go and mourn Sharon. Because you drag her out the stress when she enter. Go and mourn her in peace and enter house. Body they bite you. Who they read the moan? Somebody that is really mourning. You fit carry phone, they type. Waka, easy, shege. She. Now that girl, that golden girl, now be who remote Sharon. When mourn her with her life. I went to her page. Down here school. Uriye gwele ya gbenwe subele. We are. You will don't gossip the whole industry. Give me finish. Una tell me maybe the social media because I not commerce. Because if I have people say, Sharon, see what is it? You go manipulate and say, nah, lie. Because we know they play. Now I make she talk and I live with an warroge. Wow, useless girl. For you to demand your friend when you don't fail. Izzy, you are a failure. You are a failed friend. You failed Sharon. Sharon go dead grave now go they weep. Go say to say no if you not leave Ebony. If you not leave Ebony, oh, she will be weeping. What did you not do? If I had known, I would have not traveled. Shasha baby, I miss you. Hey, Izzy, I must give you hot conk. Very useless girl. Your friend go put to bed. No, put to bed. After 4 days, you feel carry luggage. And you know, say that girl no get help. According to your statement, oh, that girl no get help. And you be her hand and leg. You even get her password to her phone, to her bank. She born. You know if you give her 1 month to nurture that girl, you travel. And I know, say that baby, no, they follow another person. Except you, witch, and a mama. You feel get mad, travel. You feel get mad, travel. You feel travel. Now when you come here say she attack home and you call the travel back. That was your plan, huh? So you not be witch like that. If you not be witch, why you go travel? Useless girl. You are a mad person. You know see how useless you are. This is how you talk like a baby, like a child. The late Sharon, may I so rest in peace. When she came to grant an interview, all those interviews were lies. But I didn't want